You move like music, a gentle symphony, graceful steps that hold certain mystery. Bottom your eyes like diamonds.
Hey guys! Our spontaneous Binondo trip! Kung isa lang yung kinain. Wala! Wala dito. Labas mo na yun. Kasi, per order, isang chopsticks at isang styrofoam. Ang init pa niya. That's space. Hindi. Bagang gising naman talaga.
But your parents came in the quartersack, leaned back in a leather-clad seat. Pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing running at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just
rides. Sila RJ nasa Mo Archipelago sa meaning of coming. Pero since hindi lang yung tickets, nag-decide ako na mag-stay na lang here sa Vegas. So kanina pa ako 3 p.m. na dito. Natulog lang ako dun sa traffic kanina. And yun ako natugutom. So, let's eat. Hindi ko alam kung rinig niyo ako. 12 pesos meatballs, all fine. Sana maubos ko pa. Kasi kanina, sobrang corn ako kung ma-orderin ko is itong meatballs and rice. Or mag-sasalo lang ako. Pero kasi, pakoptigyan ako sa meatballs. So, sana maubos ko siya. Let's see. It's gonna be my first time vlogging again alone. Sana hindi nila ako pansinin. No one's staring naman, so good.